Hi, my name is Emmanuel, CEO of Gifted Solutions, and today I want to talk to you about our September-October Microsoft Office application training session that's coming up. Enrollment is still in progress. It's only 450 Ghana cedis, and you acquire deep knowledge in Microsoft Office, including Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and likes. Recently, I saw a recruitment from a friend, right? Within the public sector, and I think this has to do with judicial recruitment, and they were looking for cashier. And one of the recruitment requirement for the cashier is that you need to be an IT literate, okay? And here they were specific with the application that you'll be using, and they stated that Microsoft Office application and then internet, all right? So how to use internet and how to use Microsoft application was part of the requirement to be employed in the judicial service as a cashier. And mind you, these skills, this important skill is not acquired mostly in our education institutions. Of course, our education institutions are doing very well, giving us the foundation for these skills. If you go to the senior high schools, you learn Microsoft Office. You go to the tertiary institutions, you learn Microsoft Office. But the issue right now is that how to really acquire the practical aspect of these training, because most of our educational institutions are doing the theoretical based training and the practicals is very small. So if you spread it in percentage wise, the practical is like 10% against a 90% theory. And that's why Gifted Solution is trying to help you out. Whether you are working or you are seeking for job, you are doing your national service, you are in excess or you have completed, you are in the house, this is an opportunity for you to acquire these important skills, because so many institutions in Ghana now are requiring these skills before you are being employed, right? It's part of the ICT skills requirement for most businesses. And this is very cheap because we are giving you an advance, from beginners to advanced training, okay? Beginners to advanced training as low as 450 Ghana cedis. Now, if you are interested in learning Microsoft Office, just like you see on your screens, then pick the numbers on the screen. Pick the numbers on the screen. Call us or WhatsApp us and come and register. Be part of this training. Now, remember, because of COVID, this training is done on individual basis. So it's a personal training that we are giving you. Okay, a personal training that we are giving you. We are helping you master the skills of Microsoft Office applications. Okay, so if you are interested in learning Microsoft Office application, if you ever wonder when you are going to really use Microsoft Office application like a pro, then now is the time. Now is the time. Pick the numbers on your screen, call us, WhatsApp us at Gifted Solutions, and let's help you out. Thank you very much.